Good day, my craft along buddies. This is Jennifer with Just Crafting Along. Welcome to my channel. Well, good day, my craft along buddies, and welcome back. Today we are going to dive into another mini brands collection. This is going to be the books collection series 2, and I did get this way before Christmas, probably about a week or two before Christmas. It was a holiday bundle for Christmas, and I got it at my local Kroger. I did get 3 of the balls in one packaging. I also got 3 of the retro balls in one packaging for $14.99. I haven't been back to see if they still have this, but before I go back to it, see if they have any more left over after the holiday, I am going to break into these and see how many duplicates we get. So we did get 3 of them. I'm trying out a new camera. I'm trying out a new positioning and how to do my close-ups and my face forwarding, so you guys are along for the ride. So we're going to try out a new camera and face forwarding and see how it goes. So far it's doing pretty good, but we are going to be doing the 3-pack of the books. And if you can tell, I do collect the book ones. I've done about 3, I think 2 or 3 of them, so I am eager to see what ones I get. I'm going to go ahead and open these guys with you guys right now. We're going to do all 3. I just wanted to see the packaging because this is new to me. I have not seen 3 balls in one packaging. They're usually like $7.99 up to $9.99 depending on what store I go to, and this was 3 of them for $14.99, so that roughly puts them at what, $5 a piece. So I'm going to see. So I thought it was well worth the $5 a piece. So we're going to go ahead and open up our first one. I love the fact that it comes like this because I can keep my capsules in here. So let me go ahead and pull out the first one. I really love the book series. So we're going to rip right into this one here real quick. I just want to give you a little peek at this. I'm hoping that we do get the golden ticket. I haven't gotten it yet, but I will pull out all the ones that I do have. I think this is, like I said, my 3rd ball. So we're going to go ahead and open up this capsule now together and see what we get. 1, 2, 3. Oh, nope, that was a dud. So I do like this right here. Let's see if I can get it to rip open. I did not score it beforehand, but we're going to cheat here and just rip it along the side. This one to rip. That one was better. So I'm eager to see if it's better to get them in a bundle or if you're better to go ahead and just go through the box yourself and get what, you know, the ones that you want, and see if who has a better pick. So let's go ahead and pop it. I love the fact that you get quite a few things in the capsules. They don't like really cheap out on them at all. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 capsules. And again, you do get this booklet that shows you the items that you can find. And so this one I'm going to save because that's a book. This is a book. And this is maybe our item that we got. And this is a book. So I'm going to save the books for last. Let's go ahead and open up the extra that we got and see what we got. Oh, it's a teacup. Well, let's see. Let's look in our book. So I got a little teacup, which is new to me. I have not ever had the teacup. You can't really see him because he blends in, but I did get the teacup. So let me go ahead and set that aside. Nothing else comes in it. So always make sure you check your packaging because I have left stuff in packagings before. So let's make sure we check our packaging. So, oh, look what we got. Let's see. We got a new one of these. I have not gotten this one. So we're going to have to see what one that is. I've not gotten this book either. And I love the fact that it has words in it. Absolutely love it. Oh my god, this is so cute. Huckleberry Finn. I have not gotten the Huckleberry Finn. So far, so good. I have not gotten the Huckleberry Finn, and I have not got the teacup or this bookmark. So far, so good. We're doing good. So I'm hoping that there's no repeats. but we'll find out. I'm sure we're destined to get a repeat. So let's put that right there. Let's go to open this one. Girls in the Traveling Pants. Oh, I'm so excited. I have not gotten any of these. I love the fact that these are actual words. So we'll have to look at it and see. So here's another one. Nope, I haven't got any of these. Oh, I'm so excited. So this is worth just this one ball. So all those are brand new for me. Let that focus in. So far, so good. I'm very excited about what we got. So capsule 1 down. I'm going to slide that back just a little bit. Again, like I said, we're doing a new camera, so the things in the background are going to be blurred out. And this is all new to me, brand new camera, brand new setup. So we're going to see how it does on this video and hope. Nope. We'll get there one day. One day we'll have a good rip. These ones don't rip for me. These ones, even my older ones, I seem to have a problem with these ones actually ripping all the way down. So we shall see what we can get. Up. Let's see what we got. Oh, got something big. So we get one item. There's a book, and a book. So let's see. Another one of the pamphlets. So we don't need that. Let's go ahead and open up our big item first. I think it's going to be the bookshelf, which I'm so excited. It's the bookshelf. I'm not going to take it out just because I don't want it to go everywhere until I'm ready to build it. So it's the bookshelf. So I'm happy about that. So another traveling pants, but it's in blue. Okay, so that's good. It's a new one. Not gotten that one at all. Oh, we got a bookmark too, so that was good. Brand new. Secret Garden. So I'm going to go ahead and put that one in this book because I got it with this book. And this is called Tom Sawyer. Oh wow, the whole series of Huckleberry Finn. Huh. I think Tom Sawyer goes with Huckleberry Finn. I think. I'm not for sure. They kind of look the same, don't they? Pretty sure they go together. With this one. One of these. James and the Giant Peach. Nice. And the other one was Frantic Fox. So I'm going to put the ones that we got. This one and this one together. We got this one and this one together. I'm going to put my cup over here. And I did get the bookshelf. So we're going to go ahead and build that in a minute because it seems like it's going to be a little time consuming. Let's see. It's going to go like that. So now we're going to play around with some backgrounds and see how good we do. On to our last capsule, and we're going to see. So far, I've gotten no duplicates. My first 3 balls that I picked of my own, I got duplicates. I got a number of duplicates. I'll pull those out again here in a minute, but let's go ahead and finish our last ball. Love this collection. I don't know anything about Series 1. I don't even know if there still is a Series 1. I only see this in the stores. I haven't shopped online. I do know that you can go to their actual website, but let's see if we can get this to cooperate and tear apart. Let's see. Nope. So you guys know a trick on this, go ahead and let me know. I even tried tearing down. I tried tearing up. So we shall see. Are you ready? That one did it. I don't know about that. I've always had a problem with that one. This series does not, the front layer does not rip. And pop it. Let's see what we got. So big. So it's going to probably be another bookshelf. So hopefully we didn't get, there's a book, and a book. So we did get the shelf. We did get 3 books. So I'm hoping it's not the same that we just got. So let's go ahead and open the shelf. I think it's a shelf. This feels different than the other one. Hold on. Let's see. It's a shelf. Very easy to put together. If you follow the directions, I didn't do it a minute ago, but I might put it together with you guys now since I got another one. Super easy to put together. Clicks right to part, and haven't put anything in there yet, but let's see what we got for books. Okay, so this one's different. Again, look at the front. How cute that is. I'll have to zoom in and see if we can see the words and if there's actual words. I don't know if there's actual words. I can't see that small. I wear readers now, so I don't know if it's what words are in there. So this is a good sign. So hopefully we didn't get any duplicates at all. Let's see. What else is in here? We did not. That one's different. Nothing inside. So far, I'm so excited. Okay, let's see. This one's got a bookmark in it, so let's see. Oh, this one seems, oh, it's going to be Sherlock. Let's see what bookmark we got. So that's my first duplicate. Oh, I don't have this one, though. This is a new bookmark for me. So we did get Sherlock Holmes, which I've already have 2 Sherlock Holmes. But let's go ahead and recap. I'm going to go ahead and build this shelf with you guys real quick since I got another one. What you do is you find, this goes on the bottom. These pieces go into this piece, but you want to make sure that these sections are up and this part with the little holes is even with this part. And you just kind of push it in there until you can get it to click. It makes a nice clicky noise for you. This one goes in here, this bottom shelf. The shelf edge goes out. And it's a little bit easier when you're doing both of the sides panel. It kind of just pops in there. So let's go ahead and pop that in there. Doesn't matter which direction. Just line up the 4 corners and give it a good snap. And then these pieces just go with this facing on the inside. Right in here like this. I'm sorry if I was out of camera the whole entire time. I'm so used to my old camera where I don't have to be in frame. This one is an actual camera and I have to be in frame, so I gotta get used to that. So there's that one. And there's our bookshelf. So easy peasy. And that goes on there like that. So far so good. We did great. We didn't get any duplicates. Only duplicate I got from my old series is Sherlock Holmes. Everything else is new to me. So let me go ahead and get out what I got before. Don't mind the Target basket. That's what I'm storing everything in. I did get a candlestick. I did get the little magnifying glass. And these are the books that I did get. And I got duplicates on them. So I got Hearts and Bones, which I have not gotten from here yet. So we'll go ahead and put that one inside the bookshelf. And we do have a duplicate with that one. Let's put that in there. And then I'll get out my, and then I did get Sherlock Holmes. A couple copies of Sherlock Holmes. So those are my duplicates, and everything else is not a duplicate. So let me go ahead and put that. I think I got a bookmark in one of these. And I didn't get bookmarks with everyone either. I only got a Sherlock Holmes bookmark. I didn't get a, which I was kind of sad, I didn't get a bookmark with all of them. So I did get a Sherlock Holmes bookmark. So I'll put that in there like that. So I did get Sherlock Holmes. And here's my other Sherlock Holmes. Put them in there. Put this one in there. The bookshelf is really cute. I like it. I'm glad I got one. And then I got a Little Women. We got Dracula. So and this is Dracula. So let me go ahead. And that's my old collection. So let me go ahead and get out the pamphlet and see what we did get that was not, that might be rare. So let me see. Common. We did get, from today, we did get 2 commons. We got Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn as our 2 commons. So we did get those 2 today. The next comment would be Little Women for my old section, Sherlock Holmes. And then let me flip it over. Another common, which we did get all of these. We got this one, traveling pants, I believe, and this one. I think we got both traveling pants. Maybe not. Forever Blue. Yeah, Forever Blue. And then Girls in Pants. Oh, wait, maybe Girls in Pants is a... Ooh. Girls in Pants. We got two rears. We got Girls in Pants, Heart and Bones, and my other one, Girls in Pants. And the giraffe one is a rear. Ultra rare is James and the Giant Peach, which we did get. James and the Giant Peach is a rare. And I think that was it. So that's kind of nice. We did get it rare. We did get a couple rare ones. So nice. So this one is a rare. This one is a rare. Hearts and Bones, which I already got. And then this one's an ultra rare. So, and I'm not for sure if it's got a bird next to it. I don't know what the bird means. So, find the surprise hidden inside the rare books. Just, Did I already find it? Maybe it was a bookmark. With that being said, I wish everyone a happy new year. It is January the 7th, so happy birthday to my son. So happy birthday and happy new year to everyone. And this is my collection so far. So I hope you guys like what you saw today. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and I'll see y'all soon. Thank you for watching, my Craft Along buddies. If you loved what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and see you soon.